Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications of MeetMe application. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Settings application. Now scroll down your screen and go to Apps option. Here tap on Manage Apps option. Now in the search bar, type in MeetMe. Tap on Notifications option, and here you'll just have to turn on the button of Show Notifications. So that is how you can turn on notifications of MeetMe application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.